Hello, everyone. Are you wondering what is an average salary of a construction worker in Liberia? Let's explore. Construction is a key job sector in Liberia, with work available across cities and rural projects. The average gross salary per year is around $3,000, or about $250 each month. After taxes, the salary comes to about $2,500 yearly, or roughly $200 a month. Where you work makes a difference. Workers in Monrovia usually earn more than those in smaller towns and rural areas. Beginners may earn as little as $2,000 a year, while skilled or experienced workers might reach $4,000. In most cases, having a university degree is not required, but those with one may move into higher-paying roles like construction management, while those without it usually stay in lower-paid labor positions. Please like the video and share your salary in the comments. Thanks for watching, and see you next time. Goodbye.